paper on the shop floor is the standard. How could we get rid of the paper? How to make information available everywhere? And how to use the experience and the know-how of our shop floor people and bring it into a smart piece of software.
We started with Tulip basically here in the spindle line in front end with a pilot that took 3 to 4 weeks. And in this time, we made the whole process digital, from building the application, setting up the workspaces, the workplaces, and having Tulip up and running.
We found out what is the capability of Tulip, where can Tulip help us? And so we decided, let's roll out through the entire DMG Mori world. In just 18 months, we rolled out Tulip in all our 15 sites. Over 1,000 stations implemented into our plants. Everywhere where you need seamless information and real-time availability of data and information.
The rollout was extremely fast. I mean, doing this in such a short time is not the standard, so to say. Working like this in our internal organization, especially in a hardware world, is something new to us.
I believe this journey is not finished, We will now expand and introduce these to all the other departments and areas.
One of the top challenges that we've been facing is digitization and connection on our shop floors. The charter of our team is to explore new solutions, and Tulip was one of those solutions that really spoke to a lot of the pain points that we are seeing in our end users, in our plants, and our distribution centers. We have two paths with Tulip and the way that we implement it within Stanley Black Decker. We have our citizen developers who can develop an application that works for them in their site. And then we also have a team of centralized developers on the advanced manufacturing team who make solutions that we can standardize and give to all of our plants. We often have the experience where a citizen developer has made an app and then our COE will take it and kind of standardize it and scale it up and make it available for everyone. So we have a Tulip app library that is available to anyone on the platform amongst all of our manufacturing and distribution locations globally. We see the Tulip use cases growing. Once people kind of see one solution on Tulip, we really see it organically grow within that site. People realize, oh, I could use Tulip for this, I could use Tulip for this as well. I think what's really key is including the people on the front lines because they know what's maybe going to work and not work, and being very close with what your needs are is really critical to a digital transformation.
Here at Mack Prototype, we do rapid prototyping and low volume manufacturing. Working with Tulip, we're able to create the first production lines for these products. And when our customers are ready to lock everything in, we can work together with our Mack Molding headquarters, which is going to do the volume production. So instead of learning a new customer product all over again, we can seamlessly transfer that data with Tulip, pull it up, and start building directly on that line.
One of the things I really enjoy about Tulip is their open platform. I often talk to my engineering group about the limitation isn't in the software, but it's really in your imagination.
In production, you want structure, you want consistency, stability. Tulip help us develop products more quickly, and then they allow us to develop a cleaner process and streamline the information flow, the communication, and how we build the product.